and welcome back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, we're going to review an at-home nail dip kit. I really hope this works. So this brand is Underling, and it's called Nailboo. This box is kind of fun. I'm enjoying this little like black and white moment. Not me thinking immediately about Taylor Swift. So here's how it came. I thought this was going to be like cardboard. It's actually plastic. Really like how that feels. I don't know why. It reminds me of this James and the Giant Peach book that I had when I was a little kid. And this book had the softest pages. And this is like bringing back memories. Salon nails from home. Great. Starter dip kit. Great. Easily apply. Love that. Up to 6 weeks. Chip free. We'll see about that. No UV light needed. Cool. Remove in minutes. Cool. Perfect nails in minutes. Get the same long-lasting manicures you love right from home for a fraction of the cost and time. Not to mention on your own schedule. Ooh. Save thousands of dollars by doing your nails from home. Thousands of dollars. Thousands. This is what we got. Definitely going to need to read the instructions. Oh my gosh. I was just looking at everything and look at this file. It's the biggest file I've ever seen in my entire life. So I'm going to go inside and do my nails because I'm going to watch TV while I do this. It just seems like the right thing to do. I've got everything set up. I put a little tissue paper down to catch any powder that falls. The little instruction guide is pretty cool. This QR code takes you to a bunch of tutorial videos, so I think that's awesome. The only thing I can't figure out is what this thing is. Is it to like take off your nails after? I'm not sure. They don't even mention it in any of the videos, and this little instruction book doesn't have anything to say about it, so I don't know. So this is before, and here is the after. Was this the best manicure I've ever had in my entire life? Not yet, because I am not a professional. I've never done dip before on myself. I've had it done to me plenty of times, so I kind of had a feeling of how it should go. But now that I've done it once, which they turned out pretty good. They're great. They're fine. I'm not rushing to take them off. I kind of want to see how long they last, but I'm only going to get better. That was my first time. I learned a lot my first time around. I would say some things that I would recommend is to just slow down and take your time. When you're doing the dips, you have to paint first, and that needs to be wet, but you don't want it too wet because if you dip in, if it's too wet, it's going to move the product on your nail a little bit, and it's going to make it bunch and kind of create like almost like a little hump or something, like a little bump, and you're going to have to file that down when it dries, and that's just going to take extra time. So for me, I think I will go a little bit slower, not wait for it to dry completely, obviously, because you need it wet, but I'm going to just like take a little bit more time and just allow it, and then go slower and just make sure everything's dry before I move on to the next step. But I really love them. The color is fun. This is what I requested, and I can't wait to get more colors, and I can't wait to continue doing my own nails. And the fact that dip is so strong and hardy, like it's going to help my natural nail grow out even faster. So I'm very excited to see how long I can get my nails. Yay! I love this product. I think it's so fun. And it's going to save me a bunch of money by not going out to get my nails done. Now, before you go running to click the link to buy this dip nail set, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class.